Today we are going to be carrying out some simple operation with Microsoft Excel. So what you just need to do, if you have your heading, you can simply type your heading. For instance, here we have maths, next we have English, next we have literature, next we have CRK. So let's assume that these are names we want to fix here. We have James, we have Gina, we have Ralph, we have Helen, we have Judith, we have Faith, we have Lizzie, and we have Pat. So this is how you can simply type into Microsoft Excel. So whatever cell we click on, the content appears on our formula bar here. So that is, if you want to edit, you can either double click on the cell and edit, or you just click on the cell and you come to the formula bar and you edit whatever you want to edit. That is how simple it is. So now let me zoom it so that we can properly see. So you can type in values here: 45, 65, 89, 76. We are just typing numbers at random. We just want to type in numbers randomly. So let's assume that these are the scores. If we assume that these are the scores we have on these subjects, these are what they scored here. You just fill them up. So in your case, you may have definite number that you want to use. So you use them, but it's the same format. So let's have 56 here, 78 here, 66, 98, 57, 80, 49, and here we have 88. So this is there. If you simply want to add up anything here, what you simply need to do is, let's say we want to have a total here. What you simply need to do is to write equal to. Whenever you want to start calculation, the first thing you input is equal to. If you don't put equal to see it as just mere typing, but once you put equal to, this is what shows that it's calculation that is to be done. So you have this, you write equal to. Let's just use the cell name for now. This cell is what? You can click on it, you put plus, click on it, you put plus, click on it, you put plus, click. So this sums it equals to, you click, you add your plus, you put your plus summation sign, that's equal to this plus this plus this plus this. So that is how simple it is. You reference the cell name. Once you reference the cell name, it will capture the content of the cell. So this is how simple you can do this. So instead of doing this for others, what we simply need to do is you come here. Once your mouse pointer changes to this cross, you click and drag. and the formula will apply to other ones. You see, the same operation applies to other ones. Also, if you want to do the total for each subject, you just do the same thing. Say equal to B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7 plus B8 plus B9. You press enter. The operation will be performed. So you put equal to, just like I mentioned, always note that you must put equal to first before you put your reference yourself. If you don't fix your equal to before any other thing, it will see it as ordinary write-up and it will not calculate it. So this, you press enter and the summation will be done. So the same applies. Instead of rewriting the formula for the other subject, I simply click on the subject for which I've done the calculation, come down below, click and drag. It will automatically sum for other ones. So once you double click, you see that everything has been captured. It will equally write the formula for us as we are supposed to have done. So you may want to bold this. You select the entire row, you click on bold. Here too, you select the entire column, you click on bold. You may decide to centralize. It's now at the center of the cell. You can do the same thing here. You centralize. So that is how you can simply carry out a calculation which involves summation or sum. So let's say this is total 1. So let's say we want to do total 2. In a case where the values are large, let's say we have over 1,000 pupils, there's no need writing for each, writing A1 or A2 plus B2 plus whatever. All you just need to do is you simply write equal to sum, open bracket, cell B2, semicolon, a column rather. What is the last cell? B2 represents the first cell, while E2 represents the last cell. This is to say that it should sum everything it sees from cell B2 up to E2. So this is a simpler way of carrying out this operation. Let me go over it again. For Gina, you write equal to sum. It doesn't matter whether you write it in small letter or capital letter. So you write equal to sum B3, that is B3 in bracket, column E3. Then you hit your enter key. It will automatically sum everything ranging from cell B3 up to E3. So, just like I mentioned earlier, instead of repeating for other students, you simply come here. Once the mouse pointer changes to a plus sign, you click and you drag down. It will automatically sum other ones for you as well. So I'm bolding this and I've equally centralized it. So this is how to simply do a total for students' course. So this applies to stock as well. You are doing stock taking, the same formula that you can use. All you just need to change is your heading and the content. So let's equally do total 2 here. So let's take this as total 1 and let's have total 2 here. So all I need to do is I need to edit this to total 2. So I'll now say equal to sum. I open the bracket. The first cell here is cell what? B2. Then column. The last cell is what? Cell B9. I close my bracket. This is the enter key. It has summed that as well. So with this, we have summed for the first subject, so which is mathematics. So I can apply this to other ones by clicking and dragging. So this is a very simple way to carry out this. Also, if I want to sum everything here, all their total scores in all the subjects, what I need to do is to simply type equal to sum, open bracket, the first cell which is B2, column the last cell which is E9. I'll close my bracket. This is wanted to. So this totals everything, all the scores here.